Every Sunday it happens. You sit down with a cooling cup of coffee to prepare for the week ahead. You have notes in 5 different places, half-written plans, and scattered spreadsheets. By the time you look up, 4 hours of your weekend have simply vanished. You might even be using AI to help. But if you're just typing a question and waiting for an answer, you're still doing all the heavy lifting. This is the first level of AI, basic chatting, and it still requires you to do the actual formatting and organizing yourself. Using AI like this is like hiring a personal chef, but instead of them cooking for you, they just drop raw ingredients on your counter. You still have to chop, cook, and clean. We want the meal plated perfectly for us. To get that finished result, we have to change how we talk to our computer. We have to stop typing single questions into a chat box and instead start handing over a complete multi-step job description. When you make that shift, you stop chatting with a smart search engine, and you start delegating your work to a dedicated, capable employee. Let's look at how this actually works in practice. It starts with a simple digital folder on your computer. Throughout the week, you can just drop all your messy voice memos, random thoughts, and rough notes right into it. The chat bubble on the left just talks, but the co-work factory on the right opens folders and processes files. As gears upgrade, we choose our worker. Some models are interns, some are experienced closers. We select the closer. Before we let them start, we hand them an employee handbook. This is where we move to the second level of AI, prompting. By giving strict instructions on tone, our target audience, and our high standards, we ensure the work actually looks like it came from us. You don't need to know how to write code or understand complicated tech to do this. You simply need to know your own work well enough to write a clear job description in plain English. We will give our new worker 3 specific tasks to complete from our messy folder. We need a clean offer page, a full 7-day content plan, and a spreadsheet tracking every lead. Watch as these 3 icons pull from that scattered data. The AI builds all 3 deliverables simultaneously. Notice how the document icon condenses. Like a good manager, you give feedback to tighten it up, and the tool immediately refines the text. What used to take 3 agonizing hours of staring at a blank screen, endlessly wrestling with complex spreadsheets, is now fully drafted and organized in just a few minutes. The true value of this setup happens when you hit enter, step away from your desk to grab a fresh cup of coffee, and your work gets done while you are entirely away from the screen. We can take this process one step further. You can tell this worker to run this exact job automatically, every single Monday at exactly 7 a.m. Before you even sit down at your desk to start your week, there is a neatly dated folder waiting for you, packed with your finished offer, your content plan, and your updated pipeline tracker. Looking at this pyramid, we can see the 3 stages we've covered. Most people start at the bottom, just chatting. Many move up to prompting for better answers. But the top tier is what we've just built, employing, a system that works autonomously. When you start your Monday with 3 hours of work already finished, you aren't just saving time. You're starting your week with clarity and momentum, while everyone else is still sorting through their notes. Setting this up takes a little bit of focus today, but the payoff is real. You get to close your laptop, enjoy your weekend, and never lose your Sunday afternoon to manual formatting again.